Hi, welcome once again to Talk Jamaican. Hopefully, by now, you have gotten your copy of my book from Amazon.com and you are on your way to becoming fluent in Jamaican patois. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share, and have yourself a wonderful day. And Nairobi in a Kenya midday, The place pretty and lush, you see. I only 3 days me there already. And me think the place look like the Garden of Eden. Say the people them in Nairobi, they no left no land idle, Where the people them see any land idle, them plant pan it, and guess what? Nobody no thief them things, When the things ready, they sit down on the sidewalk and sell it or carry it to sell a shop. They say, boy, that a good business. I mean, me like how they know a thief up people thing. Yeah. And I love how Kenya, it look just like a Jamaica. It pretty, but it get more rain, so it kind of look greener. See it. But the people, they're nice. Everybody chat to you and want to know everything about Jamaica. One woman said to me, me they think say all Jamaican have locks. You see, I'm not stupid, but a true mostly who come to Africa are the artists them, the singer them and the DJ and them people there. And most of them have locks. So the lady say she never knows that people from Jamaica don't locks up them here. Anyway, everywhere me go, the people them nice man and friendly, and everywhere me go, the place look like a Jamaica. And me say the government, they're serious about this COVID thing, You can't go in a no building at all till then take your temperature, that you sanitize and you have your mask. But then no trouble you much how to do. But you see all the minibus with a pack up with people, everybody have a name mask because everybody obey the rules. Traffic it so chaotic like in Jamaica. They have enough traffic light and video camera for control the speeding and all that. And they have a whole heap of sleeping policemen, so you can't speed and lick down and kill people. Careless like how we do them thing there. Boy, I love Nairobi. Me see some animal already and go hike and thing. But tomorrow we are go on safari. Yesterday me see one big lion. They have one park named Nairobi Park. Right in the city. And you want to see the big old lion in there and just sit down and, cool and taking sun. He's the king of the jungle. He can do anything he wants. I am in Nairobi, Kenya. And I love how the flora looks so much like Jamaica. I feel like I'm at home. But it rains a lot more where I am, so it's much lusher, much greener. You know what impresses me most? The fact that wherever there's idle land in Nairobi, anybody can go and cultivate it, and they can set up their business to sell the produce on the sidewalk. Nobody steals their stuff. Nobody steals their labor, in other words. I have only been in Nairobi for 3 days and I am overwhelmed by the beauty of the place. It's extremely modern. You don't use cash, you use credit card or you use phone payment. Everything is really up to date. The technology is hard at work. People are extremely friendly. And one lady thought all Jamaicans have locked here because the Jamaicans that they are exposed to most are the entertainers who tend to wear a lot of locks. But they want to know everything about Jamaica. And of course, I want to know everything about Nairobi and the greater Kenya country. Nairobi has a population of over 5 million, 5 to 6 million. But it's a well-organized city. Traffic lights work. Traffic lights have cameras to make sure you obey the rules. They have sleeping policemen to cut down on speeding. This is a wonderful place. Tomorrow I go to the country, 4 hours away, on a safari. Although yesterday we went to Kenya National Park and saw quite a good variety of animals, including one king of the jungle who was just lying in the sun and taking it all in. But we'll keep you posted as I go along. Have a great day.